My name is Madhurani. Our topic name is HCF and LCM. Theory part of this chapter has been explained by our ma'am. Here in this video I am going to explain practical sums on this lesson and later on we will do the activity part. Let's see the first sum. To find the LCM of 6 and 4, we need the number that can divide both the numbers. LCM of 6 and 4. Here 6 and 4 can be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Then 3 we can write as it is, and 2 1s are 2, and again 3 1s are 3 and 1 as it is. Here we got 2 2 and 3. LCM of 6 and 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3, 12. So here the LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Now let's see the next sum. To find the LCM of 3 and 2, LCM of 3 and 2, 3 and 2 are not divided by anything. They are prime numbers, I think, prime numbers, so they cannot divide by anything. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, and 3 1s are 3. Here we get 2 and 3. So therefore 2 into 3, here 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6, we know. Here we got LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now we will do the activity. To find the LCM of 6 and 4, activity method. Here I have made some strips, 6 number strip and 4 number strip. First we have to stick the 6 number strip like this with the gum. And here now 4 number strip below this strip. Here you can see there is a place is left. Here we have to stick another strip of 4 number, and again here above place left, then stick 6 number strip and below 4 number strip. Here we have to stick the strips till both the lines get equal. So here we done. Now let's stick the strips. Here we have done. Now 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. There are 2 6, so 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and there are 3 4 number strips. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. See here, the basic method and activity method answers are the same. See, 12 and 12. Now let's solve the next sum. To find the LCM of 3 and 2 by activity method, here I have some strips of 3 number and 2 number. Here we have to do the same step. First we have to stick the 3 number strip like this. And now 2 number strip below this strip. There is a place left here, you can see. Now stick another strip. And again here above place left. Then stick 3 number strip and below again 2 number strip. Here we have to stick the strips till both the lines get equal. So here we done. Now let's stick the strips. So here now 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and there are 3 2 number strips. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 6. See here, the basic method and activity method answers are same. You can see. We are going to solve HCF sums in this part of the video. To find the HCF of 6 and 4, following are the steps to be followed. First of all, we have to find the factors of both the terms. Factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6, and factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. We have to figure out the common factors of 6 and 4, that are 1 and 2. So, as we know that 1 is a common in every number, so we skip 1. Therefore, the HCF of 6 and 4 is 2. We skip 1. So let's go to the next question. To find the HCF of 3 and 2, we have to do the same step here. Factors of 3 is equal to 1 and 3, and factors of 2 are 1 and 2. We have to figure out the common factors of 3 and 2, that is 1. As we can see here that there is no other common factor except 1. Therefore, the HCF of 3 and 2 is 1. Now let's move on to the activity. First question. To find the HCF of 6 and 4. Similar to LCM activity, here also I have made color strips of numbers. that we have to stick on the paper. First, I have take 6 number strip and 4 number strip. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So here 2 number strip. Then 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So here again 2 number strip. Let's stick the strips. Six minus 4 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, HCF of 6 and 4 is 2. Second question. To find the HCF of 3 and 2. As you can see, I have cut the number strips similar to first question. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 number strip. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then again one number strip. Three minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the HCF of 3 and 2 is 1. As you can see, the answers of both methods are same. First also and second also. Thank you very much.